Hello YouTube, how are you? So Merry Christmas. How are you? Enjoying your day? Hope you're stuffing your faces as you do. That's what I love about Christmas. It's not about the presents. I don't really, obviously as a kid you care about it. You're just like, oh my God. But now it's a bit like, the amount of pairs of socks you can get. There's so much excitement you can show. So yeah, I just love the food. Just knuckling down and just gorging yourself. Did you know what? Random fact, you could eat over 5,000 calories in a day on literally Christmas Day alone. That's bonkers. Because everything goes. Like you wake up, you see like a whole tray of celebrations. You think, and let me just tell you now, between you and me, there's no equality in quality street eating. Like you get there, you get those triangles straight off. Whoever's in there, and you fight for them, you fight but to the death. So I'm here now, snuggers away. Like it's awful outside. The weather is bad. It's hot. Scotland, windy right now, raining. My nose is running. It's just wrapped up in here. 19 degrees and rising. Oh, I'm loving it. But thank you. I thank you all for all you subscribers here. I thank you. Honestly, I appreciate you. Like, I've 1,000 subscribers now. So, yay, can I get a big round of applause? I love it. I love it. So, yes, doesn't mean I'm going to get monetized. I need to get 4,000 hours watch time. So, with that, I'm going to make a lot more kind of longer vlogs and tour vlogs and collaborate and go different places. And I appreciate your patience for me just kind of going around the Croft and stuff. Yes, it's like any other YouTube video when they talk about their land, but right now I've just got chickens and ducks and I'm just making mud and making mess and making compost. But that's what I can have time for right now, and I don't really want to jump in and plant stuff, because if I do, it will get nibbled and by deer and rabbits, and it's just a lot of things I need to kind of factor in, because if you don't know this, if you're new here, we're building a house and all this kind of stuff, so it's just like, and trying to work as well and earn money and just pay for the bills and pay for the house is not cheap. So it's just trying to get my head around these things. So, but soon once we get the fencing there, then the world is our oyster. We can start putting more trees in. Like I can get some cuttings. I'm going back. If you didn't see the tour of the woodland recently, click the top right of the screen. I'm going back there. I'm gonna get some cutting soon. And yeah, I'm excited, so I can start planting some more trees up. And I think the best thing to do is plant my evergreens, get a nice windbreak down, and then I can start thinking about deciduous stuff around that, amongst that. So that is my plan. So without further ado, I've got my ukulele here. I've got it for no reason. It's not first for show. I'm going to sing a song because it's Christmas time. I'm doing a little bit of year in review because I've never done one before. It's going to be a little short one, like short and sweet. So just sit down, relax, take a chill pill, and enjoy this. Let's have some fun. If you know the song, sing along too. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the seasons bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Such a lovely song, isn't it? Nat King bloody Cole. Oh, he's like caramel. Thank you very much for if you got this far. Stay tuned to listen to me sing song and see a little bit of the review and all this kind of stuff. So yeah, next year it's going to be a good one. It's going to be a fun one. It's going to be good. It's going to be 2022, and just the house should be done. I should be moving in a new house, be able to work on a Croft because. Like, if you didn't know this, I'm 10 miles away, so I have to go back and forth, which is a faff. Once I'm there, the place will become a bee-friendly, bootylicious permaculture field inspired. Dreamland. And just chickens will be just pumping out compost, ducks will be pumping out, just making it nice. Just basically, it's just fun. I love what we're doing here. I love that you're enjoying being here, and I'll keep my mouth shut now because I'm getting excited. I'm not going to cry on you, but it's just fun. I enjoy this place. I enjoy what I'm doing, and I just can't wait to just start get some trees planted. Just get the ball rolling. So I appreciate you, and if you know anyone else who is interested in this type of stuff, let them know. Share and share alike. Share this vlog. It's a Christmassy song. It's this time of year, so peace and hugs from Lovey Uist. And remember, it's not just my agenda; it's yours too. Have a lovely day, guys. Honestly, I mean it from the bottom of my big ass heart.